Welcome back to the homestead, everyone. We're excited to have you here with us, and we're excited to show you the next step in training our grapevines using the modified Munson training system. Stick with us and see how we train the arms out over the outer wire. Okay, first things first. We want to take a look at our main trunk here. Now you see we've got a lot of new growth off that. We want to prune that back so all that energy coming up this trunk is coming up to our main arms and lateral spurs up here. So what we want to do is we want to trim these back on the trunk to one leaf. And that will give the trunk that leaf to absorb that photosynthesis and to put that energy into the trunk here. So every one of these that's coming off here, take them back to one leaf. Now our next step here is to continue to train our lateral spurs out to this outer wire so they hang over it, the fruit will hang under. Now what we want to do is go by the hand method, and we want to prune them out to be about a hand length apart. That's going to give them enough light and air to produce fruit properly. Also, what we're going to look for is any one of these laterals that is growing in the downward direction. We want to trim that off because that's not going to be a good fruit producer. So we're going to start here at this end, and you can see they're already grabbing on to this outer wire here on our training system. So we're going to grab this end and we're going to start with this one. This one seems to be very strong, and the one next to it, right at the beginning of the wire, we're going to trim back to one leaf. Also here, as you can see, we've got one growing in the other direction, back towards our other wire on the other side. We want to also trim that one off there. So we want them all coming out and hanging over this outer wire, and that's going to give us the best fruit production for these. Well, it's as simple as that. Let's check out how some of the fruit looks here. It's starting to develop nicely, and it's going to hang down here. This outer spur here, this lateral is hanging on our wire already. It's already attached itself to it, and it's actually forked off, and it's going to give us a lot of nice fruit here. And these hopefully will make it out to this outer wire in a few weeks. Also, we're going to tighten our our inner wire here. It moved a little bit this winter time with expansion and contraction in the soil. But that's it. We hope you enjoyed the video. We're glad you're here. And go check out some of those other videos we made about how to train these grapes up to the trellis and how to train them down the wires. This is a series that we're doing. And we'll continue on the series and show you things about these specific muscadine grapes that we believe will be helpful for you. Thanks once again for being here. Hit that subscribe button and hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And have a great day. And we will see you on the next video.